When we talk about rainwater harvesting, individual homes make a difference. But communities, that's where the real magic happens. Imagine entire neighborhoods working together, sharing resources. Rainwater harvesting becomes exponentially more impactful at the community level. These shared systems not only lighten the load on our municipal water supply, but also build something priceless: collaboration. They foster a sense of shared purpose and ensure everyone has fair and equal access to this vital resource. It's about more than just water. It's about building resilient, connected communities. So, how do you design a system for an entire community? It's all about integration. Picture multiple rooftops, all connected, channeling rainwater into a single, centralized storage tank. It's a beautifully simple idea. We use clever overflow channels so that not a single drop of rain is wasted, even during a downpour. Then, gravity-fed pipelines distribute the collected water efficiently, sending it to individual households or lush communal gardens. This kind of smart design maximizes how much water we collect while keeping the infrastructure costs surprisingly low. It's a win-win for everyone involved. But of course, with all that water, storage is absolutely crucial for any community system. We're talking large-scale solutions here. Think big, modular tanks that can store enough water to get the whole community through long dry spells. Or to save precious surface space and reduce evaporation. We can go underground with massive cisterns or reservoirs hidden right beneath our feet. The beauty of modular tanks is that they allow for scalability. So as the community grows, the water system can grow right along with it. Efficient, reliable storage is the backbone that encourages widespread participation and makes the whole project trustworthy. Now, a system this big requires shared responsibility to keep it running smoothly. It's a team effort. Regular inspections are a must to prevent any contamination and ensure the water is safe. Clear governance, like a community water committee, helps define roles and set up maintenance schedules so everyone knows their part. And we can bring in technology to help. Smart sensors can monitor water quality and levels in real time, sending out alerts when it's time for maintenance. Effective management isn't just about upkeep, it's about guaranteeing the longevity and safety of the community's water supply for years to come. The amazing part is what a community can do with all this collected rainwater. The applications are incredibly diverse. It's perfect for irrigating community gardens and keeping public parks green and vibrant. It can supply water to essential hubs like schools, community centers, and even public fountains. With proper treatment, this rainwater can even supplement our drinking water supply, creating a safe and reliable backup. When water has this many uses, its value skyrockets, and it gets everyone in the community excited and engaged in the project. And this isn't just a futuristic dream, it's happening right now all over the world. Just look at the success stories. In villages across India, communities share large rooftop tanks to irrigate their crops and supply households with daily water. In Brazil, neighborhoods are integrating rain gardens and shared cisterns, not just for water supply, but also to reduce urban flooding. And in a highly urbanized place like Singapore, citywide, community-scale rooftop collection systems feed directly into the municipal reservoirs. These examples prove that community-driven solutions are adaptable, effective, and can be tailored to fit local needs anywhere. But none of this works without the people. Community engagement is the secret ingredient for success. It all starts with education. Running workshops and awareness campaigns helps everyone understand the benefits and gets them excited to participate. Volunteer programs can dramatically reduce operational costs as neighbors come together for installation and maintenance. We can also offer incentives to encourage individual households to connect their rooftops to the shared systems. When a community is actively engaged and invested, the project becomes truly sustainable and its long-term success is virtually guaranteed. Looking ahead, the future of community rainwater harvesting is incredibly bright and tech-driven. Imagine smart cities with fully interconnected rainwater networks. We're talking about IoT-enabled community systems with automated flow management, where water is directed exactly where it's needed, when it's needed. Artificial intelligence could predict rainfall patterns and automatically optimize storage and distribution for maximum efficiency. These systems will expand beyond city centers into surrounding urban and rural areas, creating regional water resilience. Smart, community-integrated rainwater systems are how we will secure a water-positive future for generations to come. In the end, community-scale rainwater harvesting does more than just collect water. It turns local collaboration into a powerful, sustainable solution. It empowers neighborhoods, strengthens bonds, and dramatically improves our collective resilience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more on building a sustainable future, one drop at a time.